Two of the newest robots on the market, the CyberOne from Xiaomi and the Optimus Robot from Tesla, each have unique characteristics and functionalities intended to meet various demands. In addition to managing smart homes, playing music and interacting with a virtual assistant, CyberOne is made to be a social robot. On the other side, Optimus Robot acts as a self-driving vehicle that can go across cities and may eventually eliminate the need for human drivers. It'll be fascinating to observe how these robots develop over time. These have created a lot of excitement in the industry. If this is the information that you were really searching for, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order to be notified whenever we upload any kind of valuable video. Stay till the end of this video so that you don't miss out on any parts of it. The two technological giants, Xiaomi and Tesla, are always coming up with intriguing new things to sell. Both businesses just entered the robotics industry with their most recent inventions. To determine whether a robot offers better value, we'll examine in greater detail its qualities and capabilities. Xiaomi's CyberOne. CyberOne, a humanoid robot from Xiaomi, aims to make friends with anybody it encounters using artificial intelligence-based interaction algorithms that enable it to understand 85 different types of surrounding sounds and 45 different categories of human emotion. CyberOne is powered by its sophisticated arms and legs, which are supported by a bipedal motion posture balance system. Xiaomi's CyberOne can create three-dimensional virtual reproductions of the real world thanks to its sophisticated visual capabilities and functionality, along with a variety of other cutting-edge technology. On August 11th in Beijing, Xiaomi unveiled its first humanoid robot at the launch of a fresh product event for the company. The robot that assembled a human could move around the stage and make direct contact with Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun. According to Xiaomi, a robot's ability to move depends on how well each joint motor performs. Therefore, more kinetic energy must be produced for the motors without enlarging the components themselves. As a result, Xiaomi's CyberOne division created a motor for the upper limb joint that weighs 500 grams and has an output torque rating of up to 30 Newton meters. According to its initial specifications, CyberOne is 1.77 meters tall, weighs 52 kilograms, and has an arm span of 168 centimeters. Its extensive biped control algorithms and need for more potent motors make it mechanically complex. It can reply in real time with an average response time of 0.5 milliseconds for each degree of freedom and supports up to 21 degrees of freedom in motion. Capabilities of Xiaomi's CyberOne. The walking style of Xiaomi's CyberOne has been built to be both natural and steady. The humanoid robot may also be programmed by the display and is capable of lifting up to 1.5 kilograms with a single hand. An MI-Sense depth vision module and an AI interaction algorithm were installed in CyberOne by Xiaomi because humanoid robots need the vision to interpret their environment. It can sense its environment and comprehend it using these elements to comprehend 3D space and identify people and movements, including expressions. As CyberOne demonstrates, building a robot for marketing and research objectives can be entertaining and fruitful. As part of Xiaomi's vision for CyberOne, which includes social interaction and friendship, the company has given it access to a self-created MIAI environment language recognition engine and an MIAI vocal emotion identification engine. These tools enable CyberOne to recognize happiness and can even uplift its owner during difficult times. Xiaomi claims that the bot can perceive human emotion and can navigate using some form of machine vision system that can sense depth of up to 8 meters away. This system is likely employing some sort of AI technology to analyze facial expressions. Tesla's Optimus Robot. The well-known humanoid robot Optimus was on display by Tesla CEO Elon Musk at the company's AI Day event in 2022. At a Silicon Valley event, Optimus made an appearance on stage and waved at the spectators while lifting its knees. The CEO stated that the robot was still a work in progress, but might be available for purchase by the general public in a few years. The 5 feet 8 inches tall, 125 pounds and 45 pounds capacity Tesla humanoid robot has a strikingly human-like appearance. A 150-pound lift-up is also possible with a Tesla bot. With a top speed of about 5 miles per hour, the robot is neither too fast nor too slow. Although still slower than a runner, this is comparable to a fast-walking machine, a robot that resembles the capabilities of the typical person as depicted in this drawing. A beautiful metallic black and white coat is another feature of the robot. Elon Musk, the company CEO, predicts that they will eventually cost $20,000 and go on sale in 2027. Capabilities of Tesla's Optimus Robot. Most likely, you already know what an Optimus looks like, but how exactly do you use one? According to Musk, Tesla has already incorporated semi-sense robots on wheels into their cars. Similar widespread distribution of the Tesla Optimus Robot is anticipated to occur for several application scenarios. Tesla employs a range of robots in its manufacturing process to boost productivity and efficiency. The KUKA Robotics arm is one of the machines that Tesla's factories use the most. These robots are utilized by the business during the welding and painting procedures, as well as the electric vehicle assembling. To detect its surroundings, Optimus's central computer interprets vision data from several sensors on the software side. In order to move about, it also has a visual navigation system controlled by neural networks. Engineers essentially record human motions, like as pulling a package off a shelf, and mapped that motion data to Optimus. This motion data has been improved to react to real-world motion. The dream is that one day, if it's not feasible, a Tesla robot will be able to walk without a problem, climb stairs, pick up boxes, use tools, and carry out other crucial jobs in homes and factories. Earlier, Musk predicted that one day, Optimus robots would be able to wash the dishes and cut the grass. However, it appears that Tesla robot may soon collaborate with people in factories, as Tesla aims to test Optimus at a few of its manufacturing lines as part of a use case program. Additionally, these personalities will adjust to the preferences of their owners. As a result, individuals can be confident that their Tesla robot is a perfect fit for any location, whether it's a professional setting or their home. The widespread use of these robots in modern society is a sign of the quickly expanding market for AI-powered assistants. Tesla's advancements in the sector have attracted a number of rivals, but its robots will probably keep setting the bar for perfection. Additionally, the long-term objectives and plans of tech giants like Tesla portend a thorough societal integration of AI devices. This transition will be greatly aided by the adaptability of these robots and their capacity for experiential learning. Although the humanoid robot appears to have only average dexterity and limited movement, it appears that its primary purpose was to engage and communicate emotionally with humans. To determine whether Xiaomi can live up to that lofty promise, just a quick tech demo will be required. Despite the fact that both robots serve the same objective, they are very different from one another in terms of efficiency, popularity, and design. We are becoming more and more dependent on machines and artificial intelligence as technology develops. This dependence raises the issues of what will happen when these robots achieve artificial intelligence and ultimately autonomy. Do you realize that the introduction and use of robots in our day-to-day lives will make them more intriguing and powerful for all of us? Keep up with the most recent technological advancements. However, let's meet with a similar mind-blowing video through our channel. Thanks for being to the end of this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us what you think about this video below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.